Welcome to this video, where we tackle the question, will AI replace recruiters? We'll explore the future of talent acquisition and CANSPLA's human-centric advantage. We are currently experiencing the automation wave. This video will deconstruct the exact impact of AI and machine learning on transactional hiring workflows. The data-driven reality shows that the profession is being reshaped, not dying. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 6% growth for HR specialists. Furthermore, 69% of recruiters are currently using AI effectively. The recruitment lifecycle consists of 4 key stages: requirements, sourcing, screening, and closing. Each phase has its own focus, from translating manager needs to navigating counteroffers and onboarding. AI's practical capabilities include delegating the paperwork, automating transactional and repetitive tasks that typically consume up to 80% of a recruiter's workweek. This includes sourcing at scale, instantly parsed CVs, and automated logistics. The human mode highlights why authentic talent acquisition is deeply rooted in intuition, psychology, and personal relationships. These are the areas where human expertise is irreplaceable. AI has cognitive limits. It can parse keywords, but cannot evaluate soft attributes like grit or emotional maturity. True experts read between the lines, identifying potential that algorithms miss. Algorithms also lack the capacity for authentic rapport and influence, which is crucial for high-stakes life transitions like hiring. The candidate trust gap is significant, with only 26% of candidates trusting automated AI systems to evaluate them fairly. Candidates crave human partnership for major career pivots. Recruiters who prioritize human connection create massive competitive advantages. The CANSPLA advantage empowers recruiters to combine high-speed automation with the irreplaceable power of personal networks. CANSPLA helps recruiters reclaim control through a free searchable database, automated matching percentages to eliminate manual screening, and human context notes to keep intuition and candidate stories alive. Achieve pipeline independence. CANSPLA optimizes tedious aspects so you can thrive by focusing on deep network relationships, strategic advisory, and talent negotiation. Own your data pipeline and build protective professional assets. I cannot replicate. It's time to future-proof your career and build irreplaceable assets. Start building your free searchable candidate resume database today by clicking Get Started.